Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Ninjas YouTube channel. Myself Vishesh. So in this video, I'm gonna give you some tips if you are a beginner programmer. So guys, if you are a beginner, make sure you make your fundamentals very strong. So when you advance to the basically advanced topics, right? It should not happen like you are going to the fundamentals. You are going to revise your fundamentals again. So make sure you make your fundamentals very clear at the first go. You should make your fundamentals very strong at the first go, right? So I know you will see people around you doing some advanced things and you might be tempted to do that also. But make sure you do not compare with them, guys. Make your own fundamentals very strong. That is the first tip. Now, coming to the second tip is that make sure you learn by doing and practicing. So if you're learning some new algorithm, try to implement the algorithm. Just don't read the articles. Try to implement every problem or algorithm that you're trying to learn. Okay. That is the second tip. Now, coming to the third tip, that is also very important. Make sure you form a peer group, right? So make sure you form a group with your friends that have the similar goals like you. So if you have some problem in some coding problem, right, you can ask your friends. They can solve your doubts in 1 or 2 minutes just, right? So otherwise you might have to scroll on internet and it might take a little more time, right? So peer group also helps a lot while practicing for coding. So these are the three tips that can help you learn efficiently, right? So thank you so much, guys.